This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. So today we're going to be taking a look at this 5K dual screen waterproof camera, and we will be testing this in actual water. I've heard the customers complaining they want to see this actually tested in real water, not just dipped in a little bowl. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to actually test this out multiple different times. So please stay tuned for test footage test footage coming soon. First, this is what it looks like. Your standard digital camera. You have your Wi-Fi mode setup, display menu. Here's what the front looks like. The top, just a standard digital camera. It comes with an SD card already inside, and there's where you can charge it. Make sure when you put it down, you pull this, push it down, and then let go. So push it down in. A little tough doing this with one hand. I am noticing when you push this down and you pull this little pin back, you then want to actually apply a lot of pressure to lock that pin down in place, and then you want to slide this up to the lock position, and then you're ready to use it. This is the battery. I do wish they would have provided 2 batteries, but you do get just this one battery. When connected, you can go through your options right through here. Let's press and hold. Press and hold to turn it on, press and hold to turn it off. When it's charging, it will have a little red light there, letting you know it's charging. Alright, so this is 4K at 60 frames per second, and this is how it looks on a super sunny day. Alright, now I'm actually testing the front facing screen by holding the display button, and that should allow you to change it over. So the picture's actually pretty cool. You could definitely easily see yourself in the front facing screen, so that's cool. How the quality is, I have no idea until I actually get on the computer and see the footage, but so fast moving. Okay, so for all the clips we did color correction. That was our only edit for most of the clips. Then for the very last water clip, so there's 2 water clips. The very last water clip, which you kind of can see like a wider angle, we did stabilizing effects and we did extra color grading. These photos, we did color grading, but that's it. All the other videos, we didn't do any stabilization. My final thoughts on this camera is it's sort of waterproof. Water did kind of get in some cracks near the battery. It didn't get to the battery, but I don't know if you would put it down for a long period of time. So it's technically waterproof. It didn't get to the battery, but I don't know for long periods of time. As you saw, we just did for a short period of time just to show under the water. The photos, even with turning on the macro effects, like trying to get it to zoom and be focused up close to stuff, doesn't really work too well, as you just saw in the photos. So as you can see how blurry this is, and that's with turning all the settings, because we're a social media creator. We are used to cameras and all these settings. So we maxed the settings on the camera. We tried and we got a little bit, and this is about as good as the photos will get up close. So overall, you know, it's a decent camera. It's not bad. It's not going to be anything like a GoPro. I think this camera is best for medium distance to far away distant photos, and I think this camera is best for filming on a tripod, not holding the camera, not moving it around, setting this camera on a tripod. It seems like when you move the camera even slightly, it kind of messes with the quality of the video. So my final thoughts on this are, you know, don't get it if you think it's going to be anything near a GoPro. It's not. Even a GoPro 7, it's not going to be as close to that. If you are good at editing, I think this camera will work out pretty good for you. If you're good at stabilizing videos, or if you use it for, again, medium photography or far distance photography, or if the camera is setting on a tripod. That's our honest opinion based off of using it for a couple days. Thanks, guys.